This is such a bad idea. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Anyways. So now I have a VHS with the widescreen F and Moaning sound at the end, which is my 1991 VHS of Always. Got it this past Saturday, 1990 actually, but this is a later print from 1991, the letterbox edition. And I'm the creator of the Loudest VHS Moaning sound video. And everyone else has been doing their own. And I'll have one of my own up. So I'm going to do that today. This is an HD 4K TV, all the way on 100. This is exclusive content right here. This, I can't even imagine how loud this is going to be. Holy crap, I'm scared. But this moaning sound, VHS moaning sound, is going to be incredibly loud. I'm not going to even believe it. So, anyways, bye. I'm out. That was awesome! Woo! Yeah! Yes! 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 That was awesome! Holy crap! That was amazing! Oh, I got too excited. Woo! That took my breath away. That's how loud that was. Wow! Woo! Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this crazy video. Goodbye.